so we can start. So like after today, a lot of you asked me to actually have like a walkthrough of my channel, so I'm gonna do it now. My channel is gonna be divided into basically like 3 playlists. I would recommend to just look into my playlist. I'm teaching 3 classes this year. The 3 playlists will be related to, different classes. If you're in geometry, then you'll find most of the video will start with geometry as the title. So if you see one, if you subscribe to this and you see geometry, that's for you. And mostly it's just for the homework assignment and tests, possibly. And Algebra 2, same thing. If you see the title with Algebra 2, it's going to be for the Algebra 2 students. But for Algebra 2 students, you have more things you can look into because, you finished geometry last year. You may want to review some of these. Obviously, you guys are the older students. You're going to hand to SAT. All of these skills are going to be useful. If you're not familiar with it, I would say look into it. The last one, Skills for All. Skills for All is going to be basically for everybody. Especially if you're in Algebra 1, most of these should be in Algebra 1. It could be like a pre-algebra skill. I would say spend some time to look into all of these. Let's say like solving equation, we've been going over that for many, many weeks. And if you're still having problems with it, if you are not hitting that 100% every single time, look into it. That's what I would do. Other things so far, like, adding, subtracting fraction, I know it's a problem. How can we do it without a calculator? It's good skills. You don't really need calculators all the time. I don't like it as much as, I mean, it's fine. It's fine to use calculator, but ideally you don't need that. So Skills for All is basically for everybody. If you're in geometry, you had, not a wonderful year before, then look into it. Some of the skills are still carrying over, it's still affecting us as in geometry. So that's what I would say. And that's pretty much a very simple walkthrough of my channel. If I'm going to add anything else, I'll actually just tell you in class. I'm doing all of this not for the money, obviously. I have altogether 50 people subscribe to this for extra credit. So I'm doing it kind of like for fun. I like to do it. I like to try something new. And I don't like to see my face, so you're not going to see this that often. Basically, that's all. So that's a walkthrough. I hope you like it. See you guys in class. Bye for now.